Because yeah, that's just a horrible smell. I don't even know how to describe it. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Spigen Klasden, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, pouch for none other than the AirPods Max. So without further ado, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it's got a big old picture of the carrying case itself. It's got a magnetic inner pocket, and obviously it's for the AirPods Max. Over here on the back, we've got some more pictures of it as well. Let's just go ahead and open this guy up, and we can go ahead and slide out the carrying case right here. I will say this smells actually very bad. I'm not sure why that is, but that's just something to note right there. Yeah, not good. Let's open up this plastic next right here, and we can pull it out, and then we can go ahead and open it up right here, unzip it, and voila, now we've got the inside of the carrying case. We've got a little card right here advertising, I guess, this other stand they have for it. We can put that aside, and let's actually put my AirPods Max inside. So to do that, we're going to want to flip the case over like this. I think I had it upside down earlier, and then we can put the AirPods Max in just like that. I wish there was a divider or something right here so the AirPods don't smack into each other right there, because I don't want them to get scratched. And then I guess in this little part right here, maybe you could put a charging cable or something. Then we can go ahead and put the AirPods in here and zip it up, and now they're protected. You can also go ahead and use this carrying strap right here with the AirPods Max in. That's kind of an interesting design right there. I don't usually see straps like that. And it is worth noting this carrying case right here might be a tad too big for the AirPods Max actually, because I can hear them moving around when the case moves around. So that's not very good. I would prefer if they were more, securely in place. And another thing I will say too is, again, that smell. So now it doesn't smell as strong, but if I sniff it, I can still smell a weird smell on it. So I don't really like that. I don't know why that is. But besides that weird odor, folks, I will say this is a pretty straightforward product right here. Simply just a carrying case for the AirPods Max, because unfortunately the AirPods Max, they don't come with their own carrying case that's any good out of the box. They just come with that weird one. With that, there's not really much more to say about this Spigen Klasden AirPods Max carrying case right here. Besides that, I definitely am not keeping mine right here, because that smell is just really, really disappointing to me, and I don't want a carrying case that could potentially smell up my bag or smell up my AirPods Max, because the AirPods Max, those are very expensive headphones. They set you back about $550. So yeah, very disappointed with this product. I definitely do not recommend buying it, especially if they all smell like this, because yeah, that's just a horrible smell. I don't even know how to describe it, but I don't know, maybe like painty, like chemically, just something nasty. So that's definitely very unfortunate. If you are wondering how much money this carrying case costs, though, it will set you back about $40. So yeah, definitely let me know what your experience with this carrying case is down in the comments. I do read all the comments, by the way. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. And also, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys all so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.